everybody, welcome back to my channel and to another nail video. Today I'm making a little funky set of press-on nails and I thought that we could make them together, so let's jump right into the video. So this set of press-on nails that I'm making are extra short square and these are actually for myself. These are the most recent set of press-on nails that I've worn and I wanted to try something funky like this because besides my Halloween nails, I feel like for myself I've been making really plain nails recently, so I wanted to wear something that had a bit more of a fun design, which is why I decided to go for these. I will pop on screen the inspo for today's design as usual. The inspo images are from Pinterest and I will try to link the original creators in the description, and I will also link the nail sheet that I'm using to plan this design, and all of the products that I use in today's video will be linked in the description too. If you watch my videos regularly, please let me know in the comments if you like me showing you how I prep the nails every time, and if you like watching me do the base for different sets of nails. I've been thinking of taking these steps out of my videos because I think they are quite repetitive, and if you watch more than one of my videos you're seeing me do the same thing over and over again, which I think can be a bit boring. So unless I'm doing a specific like how to make press-on nails step-by-step video where you need to see how I do the prep and the base and everything, I'm thinking of just not including the clips where I'm doing the prep and the base because they are the exact same for every set of press-on nails that I make. But let me know in the comments if this is something that you like watching and if you think I should leave it in. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And another little side note before I move on to showing you guys how I do the nail art, I just wanted to say that I am so excited for the videos that I have coming up over November and December. I've got so many fun Christmas ideas in mind. I might even start adding in a couple of bonus videos here and there, probably on a Monday, just because if I'm only doing one video a week then I'm not going to have time to get all of the Christmas videos out to you that I want to post. And because Christmas is my favourite time of year, I do want to get all of the ideas that I have in mind actually posted because I am so excited to start on the Christmas nail art. So definitely keep an eye out for some more videos and some Christmas videos coming from me very soon. So back to the nails and onto the nail art, and I am just putting a matte top coat on all of the nails before I start with the nail art. All of the nails are going to get the same kind of design, but the left hand is going to have brown stars and the right hand is going to have orange stars. I did want to keep this design a tiny bit seasonal, so that's why I picked these colours, just to keep it a little bit autumnal, although you could definitely wear this design at any time of year. It's not really a seasonal design. So stars are one of those designs that look way harder to do than they actually are, and once you get the hang of them, trust me, they're actually not that bad. When I do star nail art, I always use the A method, so I'm painting a horizontal line across the nail. And then for the A method, you're turning it into an A shape, so you add two diagonal lines to make it look like an A. And then I'm going to go back in and join up the bottom of those diagonal lines with the ends of the first horizontal line that I made. And that'll give you your outline of the star, and then you just fill that in and you have a star shape. Hopefully that made sense. I have left a bunch of clips of me doing this in so that you can see me do it a couple of times, and hopefully that gives you an idea of what I'm doing if I explained this really badly. Once I've done my initial star shape, I do like to go back in and just straighten up all of the lines. These stars that I'm doing for this set are not supposed to be perfect stars. They are supposed to be wonky like this, I promise. I wanted these nails to be kind of funky, so I like the way that they look when they're kind of wonky and off to one side. So as long as the lines are nice and crisp, that is basically all that I was going for. I did try for some of the nails to sort of mirror the stars, so if one of the stars was leaning to the left on the left hand, I would lean it to the right on the right hand. Does that make any sense? Like I was trying to get the thumbs to match. Hopefully you can see what I mean because I don't think I explained that very well. So I'm going to let you guys watch me do a couple more stars and then I will come back for the next step of the nail art. So this is the first time that I've ever used gems on a set of nails, and it's actually the first time that I've ever worn nails with gems on them too. But I saw them on the Inspo Images and I knew that I had to do this. I think it really made the look of these nails. So the nails that have brown stars on them are getting orange gems in the centre, and then in the centre of the nails with the orange stars I am putting brown gems. These gems are a little bit bigger than I would have liked, but I didn't have a brown colour in the smaller gems, and I really liked the idea of switching up the colours so that it was orange and brown on one hand and brown and orange on the other, and these ones ended up working alright. I had a really hard time using the correct amount of glue for this though. You can see me cleaning up the extra glue before I flash cured these gems onto the nails, because every time I thought that I used less glue than the nail that I'd done before, and every time it was still way too much glue. So I definitely had to clean that up before I flash cured it, just so that it's not going to cure in a big lump. And you definitely do want to flash cure the gems before you give the nails a full cure in the lamp, because they do slide around a little bit. So flash curing the nails just keeps the gem in place where you want it before you cure the whole nail. And then I did decide to go in with a coat of base coat before I top coated these nails, just to make sure that the gems were really stuck in and they weren't going to get caught on anything. And this ended up actually working out really well. I didn't lose a single one of the gems or anything. They were kind of, I wouldn't say encapsulated, but they were coated in enough gel that they didn't get stuck in my hair, or they didn't feel like they were going to pop off at any minute. So I would definitely use this method for applying gems again in the future. Once I had coated all of the nails with the base coat, I just went in with my regular top coat, which is the usual one that I use from Nail Reserve. I didn't include me doing that in this video because it's literally the exact same as what you're watching just now, but instead of using base coat, I'm using top coat. And then for this set of nails, because they're square, I did go in and finish file them just to make sure that they are really crispy and really square, because I find that doing a lot of layers of gel you can kind of lose that really square shape, so that is why I'm doing that now. And just before I show you the finished results of how these nails turned out, please take a second to give this video a like if you enjoyed it or if you found it helpful. And if you want to see more nail content like this from me in the future, then remember to subscribe. And now that I've done my little obligatory self-promo, here are the finished nails. Guys, please tell me what you think of this set in the comments, because I am so on the fence with these. I do think that they turned out how I wanted them to, but I just don't think that they're my cup of tea. I wore them for like a week and then took them off because I just wasn't vibing with them. But yeah, let me know what you think. And if you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!